What if the internet was invented in 1940? Picture this. It's 1940. Instead of black and white movies and rotary phones, Grandma's busy uploading TikToks, and Einstein's live streaming his theory of relativity on Twitch. Yep, today we ask, what if the internet was invented in 1940? Buckle up, history remixers. This timeline's about to buffer hard. In the real 1940s, the world was busy fighting World War II, riding around in jeeps and sending letters that took weeks to arrive. There were no smartphones, no Netflix binges, no memes, just newspapers, radios, and gossip. And computers? The size of your living room. One email would have needed a forklift. But what if, somehow, brilliant minds like Alan Turing, Grace Hopper, and some sci-fi dreamers whipped up the internet early? Let's hit enter on that alternate timeline. First off, wartime communication changes overnight. Forget secret radio codes. Generals could Zoom call across continents. And imagine government propaganda. Instead of posters saying, "We can do it," it's viral gifs of Rosie the Riveter dabbing. Meanwhile, regular folks? Forget lining up for news. People are doom-scrolling on Web 1.0. World War II memes? Winston Churchill photoshopped onto cats? Absolutely. An early internet wouldn't just be funny. It would rewrite the entire world order. Here's how. Instant intelligence sharing means faster strategies, faster victories, or even faster mistakes. Imagine hacking battles in 1943, cyber warfare before anyone had antivirus. Amazon? Started in 1945. Online shopping means Sears goes full digital. Instead of mail-order catalogs, it's 1940s Amazon Prime with horse-drawn drone deliveries. With faster info, protests and revolutions organize globally. Civil rights, feminism, decolonization, all turbocharged by Twitter-style networks. 1969, real moon landing. With early internet, maybe humans land on Mars. By 1980, because let's be honest, nerds plus faster communication, Warshas rockets everywhere. But hold your horses. Early internet isn't all cat memes and Mars bases. First, infrastructure. 1940s tech was chunky. Imagine lagging on a coal-powered Wi-Fi router. Second, government control. 1940s leaders loved censorship. Early internet might be more Big Brother than Big Dreams. And third, world divided. Without global standards, each country could make their own internets. Instead of one World Wide Web, it's the Axis Web versus Allied Net. So what if the internet was invented in 1940? A faster end to wars, a faster rise of rights, but maybe also faster chaos. More cat memes, though. Definitely more cat memes. What do you think? Would an early internet have saved humanity, or just crashed the servers harder than a TikTok trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button like it's a 1940s typewriter. And subscribe for more crazy history remixes, where the past gets a serious software update.